Okay.
This one's.
Is that loose now? Makes sense, it should. Let me get her up against that, and that one's probably loose too. Fix it a little bit. Okay.
Grief.
Alright. And we're in the slot everywhere. Alright, let's get these out of here. God dang it. Oh, just hold her steady.
Yikes. Yikes.
Okay.
This is not going to work with just the two of us.
No, I have another idea. Alright, that first one was a complete failure. This one's gonna work. Alright. We just need to make sure they're straight. Alright. So that big ass beam is up there. Those are screwed fast, which is good. Everything's leveled up. If you stand out here and actually look down through, they look straight, which is good. Now it's time to start tearing out. Alright, there you can see some of the rot, but it's actually, that's the worst. There's some real bad right there and down there. Not really sure what the deal is with that. Why that stabbed in quite like that. That's a horrible stab. I am glad to see there's a double plate up here. And it's not the best. There's some soft here periodically. But it was not going to fall down. And that makes me happier. Gives me something to work with. Back to demo. I ran some 3-inch screws up through that header to attach it to the joists at the top, so that's not coming down. I want to reuse that. And now I'm taking the windows out. I already took those pieces out. Now they just pop right on out. Just like so. Of course, they're nailed in from the outside. That's lovely. Lovely. Of course that's what he would do. Yeah, that would be the exact course of action right there. To make them as difficult as humanly possible to get back out. Yep. Yep. Well, this is going to require some extra effort. When the job gets difficult, grab a Sawzall. See how this works. hurting myself. Huge piece. Yes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 2x4s left. Pull some of these nails out. Alright, well, good luck. Beam is holding. There's now nothing on this wall other than these guys. And nothing's moved, so that's even better. But I do see that even though this is up high off the ground, I am getting moisture in, which is rotten. I think this wall was demoed before because I've got these brick ties. They were not hooked to any 2x, and some of these 2x that I pulled out, like right here, had to tie on the other side. So I think this was demoed before. I'll have to ask my brother, see if he knows. Phew. All right. But as of right now, it's time to rebuild. Progress. Got the barrier up. And now it's time to put the studs up. Yeehaw. Main framing is done. All pressure treat. Bottom plate. All I need to do is frame out around the windows there. That's not weight bearing, so I can actually take this down now. So give me a little more room. Framing's all done. Moment of truth. Take this guy out first. Yes, sir. Okie dokie. Now I can. There we go. There we go. Phew. Everything is supported by its own wall again. Whew. Outstanding. It's back under its own weight. I did, as I should have told you, I kind of tripled this beam up. It doesn't matter that these aren't connected here, and I have this gap here, because that's where the wiring came through. All that matters is it's good wood, where the joists all come together, and where the windows are framed out. So, they were a lifesaver. Could not have done it without them. And there's 4x4s in this wall now. I ain't gonna have to worry about this ever again. Whew. That is a bunch of work.